皆さんこんにちは、カテリーナです。Hello everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to another Japanese cat kanji lesson. Today we will be looking into this kanji that means the moon or the month. Moving to its kunyomi is Japanese reading. Let's hear how this is pronounced. The moon is called tsuki. 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 Moving on to its onyomi, its Chinese reading, we can see that we can find two of them. The first one is pronounced getsu, 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 and the second one is pronounced gatsu, gatsu, gatsu. Okay, let's move on and start writing it. If you're ready, grab your marker or your pencil, your lined paper or a piece of paper, and let's do this. Our first line is going to go down, but be careful because it has to have this curve. First line. Then we follow up with a second line that will connect the top to the bottom right. So across, down, and a hook when we lift our marker, our pencil. We finish this kanji with these two vertical lines. 1, 2. Let's do it one more time. Down, a curved line, across, down, and hook. We lift and we place our marker again, connecting the left side to the right side. 1, 2. Okay, last one. 1, 2, hook, 3, 4. And here it is, Tsuki, the moon. For today, I have prepared a few words using this kanji. You will see that all of them, all 5 of them, are using the getsu onyomi. So let's have a look at what we're going to see today. The first word we're going to see is kongetsu, kongetsu, which means this month. So for this word, we are going to be using the meaning of the kanji as month. Kongetsu, this month. The first kanji that I'm going to write is the kanji that means now. By itself, it's pronounced ima. So let's write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes. Kon. And then our moon, we know this one by now. Down to the side, down, hook. 1, 2. Kongetsu, this month. Now, if you see here, the next word is the previous month. Following the same idea, having our kanji, the month, as the second kanji of the word, we are going to use the first one being that previous. So previous, as a prefix, let's say, it's the kanji that's pronounced sen. Sen. Sengetsu, previous month or last month. So let me write that down. We're going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and our moon, our month, down to the side and down, hook. 1, 2. Sengetsu, previous month. If we go on to our next word, we can see that it is for the next month. It's pronounced 来月. See this onyomi? It's the same as in the previous two words. 今月、先月、来月. So what is this kanji that we use in the beginning of the word, this 来? Let me write it down. Rai. And our second one, down to the side and down, hook, 1, 2, 来月, next month. Okay, so we saw 3 words that are using this month meaning of the word, of the kanji. Now let's have a look at 2 words that are using the other one. So we will be talking about the moonlight and also the full moon. Let's have a read at how we pronounce this word. So this word is pronounced gekko. Gekko. This small 2 or the double letters when we transcribe it into Romaji is a tiny small pause before the second syllable. So gekko, moonlight. You can see that we have 2 parts. Can you guess which one is the one that we already know? The first one is the kanji for the month or the moon. So I'll go ahead and write it up here. Down to the side and down, hook, 1, 2. Now the second one is the kanji for the light. So let's write it down. 1, 2, 3, across, down, and our last stroke. Fantastic. Gekko, the moonlight. Our last word is the word for the full moon. It's pronounced mangetsu. Mangetsu. Of course, you can see here that we have the onyomi for the moon or the month, getsu, so I will be writing it second. Now, what about the first one? What is this man? How is this going to look like? Let me write it down. Man, full. That is the meaning. And of course, our little moon. Down to the side and down, hook, 1, 2. Mangetsu, the full moon. And this concludes today's lesson. We learned how to write the moon or the month, tsuki or getsu, gatsu in some cases. Thank you very much for watching this Japanese cat kanji writing video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more kanji writing lessons and much more. お疲れ様でした。またねみんな。See you all. Bye bye.